Alright, so we are going to cook chicken tikka masala, and I have here a spice paste for tikka masala, and that's what we are going to use to marinate the chicken. So I have here chicken pieces. It's cut up already into bite size, and we are just going to pat it dry with kitchen towel. So after that, we're just going to mix the spice paste and let it marinate for about 20 minutes, and you will have to add with the spice paste a cream, that's a cooking cream, or you can also use milk if you don't have a cream. So about 3 tablespoons of the cooking cream. Then we're just gonna mix it up. Then, as I've said, we're just going to marinate it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Just let the chicken absorb the paste or the marinade. And then meanwhile, we're just going to prepare our rice. We are going to cook basmati rice. So we're just gonna rinse our rice here. And then after rinsing, we're just going to soak our rice with warm water for about 30 minutes before we cook the rice. Then meanwhile, I'm just going to prepare our tofu. We're gonna make a sizzling tofu. So this one is roasted already, and I'm just gonna slice it up and then just dry it using a paper towel. So to really dry it, just make a use of a weight. I'm using here a chopping board. Just push it just to squeeze some water out of the tofu. Then we're just going to fry the tofu until it is golden brown. So we're just gonna take this out and let it drain, the excess oil drain. And now we're going to cook our chicken tikka masala. So there we have onions. We're just gonna cook it for a few seconds until it's translucent, and then add the meat, marinated meat, the chicken. Just mix it or stir it. Then we add some water and let it come to a boil. Then we can just put the lid and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked and the sauce has reduced. So meanwhile, we are going to cook our rice. So I have here some water. We're just gonna let the water boil before adding the soaked rice. Now it's come to a boil, so we add our rice now. Just lower down the heat and stir it, cover it. Checking our chicken is doing well. So we'll just let it reduce. Now I forgot to add salt, so thus I'm adding it now to have our rice have a little bit of flavor. Then we're just gonna cover it back and just let the water evaporate. Completely evaporates. So, ayan na siya. Wala na siyang tubig and our chicken is nearly ready. It's cooked already. It's nearly finished. We're just gonna put the lid back. Then meanwhile, we're gonna prepare our sizzling tofu, and since we don't have a sizzling plate here, or I have a sizzling plate, but yet I haven't seasoned it yet. Therefore, I cannot use it yet, so I'm making use of this cast iron pan. So in the pan goes the butter and onions. So just cooking a little bit, and then I also added a garlic in there. That's frozen garlic na nakikita nyo na buo pa siya. And then we have the bell peppers. So we're just gonna saute those until they become translucent or a little bit soft. Then we add some mayonnaise and soy sauce. Sorry, oyster sauce rather. And then just gonna mix. Then add our tofu, fried tofu in there. And this one is really smelling really nice. So we're just going to mix it. And here it is. It's ready. Not yet. Yum time. So I'm having here the basmati rice. I have the chicken tikka masala. And some of the sizzling tofu. So there you have it. It's looking nice, it's looking yummy, and it is indeed yummy. Bon appetit!